thing there. Left them thing there for woman. A woman and woman chat woman. You see me I say? All if him may want nobody. No chat woman, bro. Don't chat woman. Them thing there is not a good thing, bro. No man no fi chat woman. Man no chat woman, bro. I don't care when people them want to say or what him want to say. You see me I say? Yeah, man no chat woman.
Like another me this and I uno.
You see me I say?
Like me. But I no rate that none at all disrespectful.
You see me I say? I fuck with that him a go on with you. Yeah, I realize. I fuck with that. But there are Meka for days and months. And Meka always a sweet up herself and put on nice clothes and them thing there. You see me I say? So them thing there, bro, them lie there. Them lie there as some fuck with dog. A mama man style of bro.
What we did there with?
You see, because you want to choose somebody, you see another girl where they want to continue to do things with the other girl. So you never fear this a girl just because you want to get in a next girl panty dog.
You want to get the other girl feel good.
Be real, want to fear dog. So if you know, say
no,
you
this other girl, you this other girl, you say the next girl never real.
Yeah, dog.
So if you don't feel like me cannot talk, of course me can talk and me did in a relationship, but me I know they in a relationship.
No, you can't tell me about my mother all in the one, bro. You say me never read Jayden, my mother say them thing a dog, a mama man, me not go stand. You say if you don't read Jayden and you a man, you not go to the bridge and say Jayden, me not lie still, you know. A mama man style at real dog.
A mama man style. You did a try to do it like Jagger, have Chanel and have TT, just like Jagger. And she said Jagger couldn't even manage.
And Jagger now this none of them. Jagger rather low them make them cuss one another. So that a man, real man style at. And that's why TT and Chanel still love Jagger because they say Jagger, no matter what Jagger with the two of them. And you know this none for none.
But LD, you know, all if you say, you know, you have two women.
That a girl's thing. That a call girl's.
You know. And the next one now, I go come up with information about you. You don't see who feel that so?
That a girl is real Jagger for that. Jagger now this none of them. That a girl is. Two women here, brother, and watch her. You're not.
But me not go do that because the NID bigger person, bro. You have restriction for your life.
No, they good. We miss this one.
I rate that youth. I serious, I bet you I rate that mama man thing that youth.
Yeah, if I want it, I say go.
I really afraid that tell you that charge, you know. Trust me, I rate that.
How many do? How many do?
So you Big C did there while me I did there, right?
Yeah.
It's Uri now, don't it? Me come out and talk anything about you, Jayden?
You don't start about the fuck.
Alright. But anything else you tell me, me come out and talk about it?
Huh?
Anything else you tell me, me come out and talk about it?
No.
You don't know real love, bro. You don't know real people. Honestly. And I found the business that see one where you pick there.
Want to come for bring me down too?
Nobody now bring you down.
Me not bring you down. Me not bring you down.
You can't make woman bring anything up for your name, dog. You better than that in the dog. I see you better than that.
Me not bring you down. Me not bring you down.
Don't make a girl that talk them thing up for your name, dog. You have to focus, Jayden. Yo, watch out now. Sometimes you talk to girl and say things to some woman, dog. And watch out now, them not pre-it as something if you say, you want them, you know, bro, because you say certain things to them, you know. But they want damage you, bro. So you see, a look at thing we have to say to Big C, bro. She don't rate you, bro. She don't rate you, youth. So when you go and say things because you probably like her, you see me I say, but she don't have it as the vision, bro. You see me I say. So I just you have to have it as a listener, I know, say, bro, I'm learning, bro, I'm wrong. I apologize to such girl. And you see me, I said, dog.
No.
Yeah, dog. No make no man, no make nobody if you say your mama man and them look a thing, the dog. You bigger than that, me dog. You see me, I say. You have to know, bro. Sometimes, dog, nobody not perfect, you know, bro. Nobody not perfect. Everybody make mistake, dog. Everybody make mistake, my friend. You see me, I say? But you have to learn, dog. You have to learn after your mistake, my dog. You have to learn after your mistake, my bro. You see me, I say? Because Annie not gonna like certain things, Jagger not gonna like certain things. With the round here, me have as a really youth. Me look up to your dog from ever since, my dog. I tell you the truth, me bro. You see me, I say? People might say me a disrespect because me I say, ah, mama, man. But guess what? I know so.
It's not a mama man, bro. You have to know the meaning of mama man. Me this quite a little correct here, you know. You see, you have to know the meaning of words. This is not about mama man. Mama man situation are much different. Mama man, I went man their yard and watch food and them fuck with them and watch how much food the woman cooking a pot and them something there. The thing is this. When Jay play a game, you get what me I say? It's like boom, see man, alright, me never want to go in at them thing, you know. But the name is they would more call it a womanizer, not a mama man, bro.
Womanizer?
Yeah, it's not a mama man thing. You understand me? But me just listen to them. I listen, you know, I listen and observe. I have nothing much to say.
Bro, when I say I just feeling still, probably if Jayden have feelings to Big C, I know so I catch her heart and she not see it that way there. You see what I say? I just, you know? Yeah. Probably a Big C the real Jayden should come out and say them thing that one, you know? Expose the dog them way there too. You see
You call me?
it's only for different angles. You see me I say? But if I really that Jayden saying a Big C DM, wrong.
Check
You
me with you.
should know better if you know say, oh, no say them thing about a woman, bro. You see it? Number one, no fear in a dog. And no matter what in a dog, then she not go give in. No matter where you say to her or text and say to her, she not go give in. You see me I say?
You see screen record them?
Yes, I mean I must see it. So she not show it up all now. Over there she all know she a chat about it and say bag of things. She goes up on the phone and I show it. You see me I say? I mix verse over there, screen record everything over there. You see me I say? Yeah. Yeah, Jagger say. Jayden now. I just use
Jayden,
the fact that Jayden is a gallus, bro. Jayden don't want nobody. Jayden does not fuck girl. He's like a pimp. He's a pimp. A pimp Musa. That's what I say. And the girl them now go stop run down Jayden, bro. Let me tell you this if you don't know. I'm more Jayden name call up in this. I'm more.
Oh, hold on there now. Let me part healthy now. Go on. So why guys? Yeah, let me come. Guys, let's all come back.
I tell you. So I just who have to learn how to fight. That's what I say. I tell you dog. Who have to learn how to fight? I have to just learn how to fight. That's what I say. You can't cuss Jayden enough because of the way he's doing it, dog. You see me I say the only thing we can say to Jayden, the only thing we can say to Jayden is if I chat the girl and I say, yo, this thing that the part they wrong. So if Jayden knows him say that for real, and Big C have the proof and really show it, as when she show it, look while I see it, I just have to apologize to that the girl you know and say, Ray. But me not busy about the other part them where I use up the girl them and Ray, me not care. A girl is style that. Any man would do that. Any girl is that do that. You see me I say? You see me I say? Yeah, in real life. Because no matter what, bro, I'm still all of you, dog.
You see your page? Watch me and you when me done.
Who mix up? But I shoot me at that, bro, me just to be honest. Me just to be honest, bro. Me just to be honest, dog. I really like.
Bro.
Oh, clean. Oh,
Yes,
clean.
yeah, bro. Oh, me I pick up for me. Meka, my sister, dog. Meka, my sister. In a real life. In a real life. Meka, my sister, bro. Jaga vex. Jaga say, Jaga, the over here to move. Jaga, come up on the live.
They touch it for come up.
Who are the person them find you tell me things that I never come past social media for that, not at all. So no matter how Jayden and Meka and I think Jayden would have never Meka would have never even tell me what I want to picture and Jayden. That if she talk about it, see them, they are the one tell me what I want to picture and Jayden. So if she talk about it, see them, they are the ones to bring promote that kind of things. You see me and Meka who come from two different genes. Different.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, they are Meka who come from two different genes. So they are
Always the girl in era can't catch up in a man I go and say, you know.
Yes, you know.
Eh?
I'm alright, so come up and say what you have to say. You know, I need to say,
Who follow Maddy Love?
XYZ. But Meka who have a right because you only see, they're the kind of with and I know it's Meka at the same time. What am I telling you? I said, if she have a right to come out and show what she has to be free.
On it, you better protect me. What are you saying?
Yo, the youth. Yo.
You see, Jayden not take nothing serious. Brother, I don't know if you just run with Jayden, bro. Run with man, brother. And top
Yeah,
play
brother.
the man, brother, because man not take nothing serious, brother. You're a big man. Not even big man, because Jayden I look at you, you know. But, bro, you should have talked about the girl to our next girl, brother. You know better than that. Jayden know where man do,
Yeah,
you know.
that's the part there, Jaga. That's the
Jayden
part
know
there.
where man do. You think Jayden know where man do? Jayden know where man do. Jayden want, what you call that? Jayden want depend every topic every day. Jayden just want somebody to talk about him. Jayden know where man do.
I just see
No
girl
load.
them, bro. I just Meka and
Better
them
no
girl.
dust.
You don't have to know what to do, bro. When you come on to them guys, bro. Cause there are people with the money, what
Better
they
stay
use,
to
you don't have to
myself,
know.
bro. If me
Everybody
and
get used
Meka
to, you know.
mood,
Both woman and
you
man, you know,
see,
but you have to just
if me
learn,
and
bro.
Meka mood even answer Jayden today, you know what I do? I just come out and talk for myself and just avoid the man,
Yes.
bro. Just avoid the
Oh,
man,
yeah.
bro. Mood even bring
I
up
just
him.
a part them I don't like when they chat about Meka and I say Meka stink already. If a big C already. Cause the part there, I don't like that part there because you have to
Meka,
talk where you like.
Meka, you
When
better than that here. You
so
better
me
than
also.
that. And CLD, you know, yeah. And see me, yeah. And me never smell you yet. We never yet smell you.
I like that part there,
And
bro. Let me see the
when you
reason
have your
why
woman. You
yeah.
know when you have your woman
You
round
know,
you.
I'm telling someone, man. Me did say me want
When you
nobody
have
when me
your
come up
woman
on the
round
live.
you and you get up a man in time. Probably you smell her breath. Nothing wrong with that. We don't need to talk about that,
What
bro.
who said they smell me?
Not that Jayden say.
Smell me?
Yes, Jayden say smell you. That in tell Big C. And Big C show the text. Oh, you do slow. You just hear about that.
Me just come online touch my phone dead from morning.
The last two them
Me
dating
text
girl,
you
yeah,
too.
big big. And
Me never see it. Me hear somebody coming at my inbox and say Jayden say me hold tight.
You would what?
What you hear me brother?
Anyways, me come out of no business. Guys, get your speed there. You play one match and come.
But I don't lie. You see that thing I lie.
Why? It's what?
No.
On the batty man Jayden make him go. You no rate him as round today. You no rate him.
My ratings drop.
Bro, just have self-respect here. I make no man come
Yeah,
for the
of
media
course.
come class, bro.
Bro, that's
I
something
make
me
no
stay
man
off of
for the
me
media
that
come
one
class.
yesterday. And that this morning, me hear people say my name, I get called up, so I come up on the live to hear what I want. Me not go sit down and make people call up me name and me not do nothing about it.
Our big thing go with a big old warrior.
I could like you afraid for class in blood clot.
Big warrior. Big
You
thing
have
where
a
you
class
got a
in
big party man. Yeah. Big thing for party man when them back your blood clot dead.
How any
Come on,
attack?
me and Big C.
How over there?
Dirty ticky. Big batty old ticky. Stinking
Who
old
name
ticky.
Tiki?
Man don't know team out this man.
Yo,
Who name Tiki?
why?
One gay?
Not even braces can help him to blood cleat.
Thinking dirty blood clot ticket. Come near mama body was drunk from. Big thinking germs. Go suck your mother. Suck your blood clot mother big old dirty body boy. One near the shit out of the body. Who from there come and put me in your blood? Think anybody do a wall yo?
Una just think of shitty. I come to boss him lip black. You look like him and favor one big old blood clot cow. Only thing can take a man in a body hole. Well, one become a woman. Anything say now make I'm a tough and rough in a one.
Yeah man, class him, Meka, class him.
You see me go car.
Number you Jayden this, you know.
Me never tell you no in a body.
Class him.
You know don't sell out your body headache yet.
Class
Man ugly
him.
afraid that
Watch the camera.
me pretty than whatever you call it Tiki. A tough you call him tough ugly man will go and become a woman. Big body hole.
Where you going?
Nah, say guys, you know,
He make
understand.
Batman
Nah,
look
say
bad,
I have a
brother.
problem with Jayden, you know. But the
He
thing
make
I'm not
Batman
like,
look
the part thing I say,
bad.
Meka this and Meka that. Don't chat no man. As a man. You see me, I say, man, I say, I play a girl soul in a but. You chatting woman part.
Not even surgery could help that body boy.
So, what will make
Brother,
up?
Guys, we're gonna
Who
have
ya?
money. You know, we get money then.
a Tiki me cause you don't understand.
We get
Oh,
money
you
then.
say you're not straight for Jayden, you have straight for Tiki.
Me
Jayden,
Jay,
if you cause.
you me cause Jayden brother.
Cause
You
Me not
just
hear,
come by
more
live
hear
and
no,
see
more
me
hear no, me never hear.
Jayden. You did not
Me
hear me
never,
cause
more hear
Jayden.
no. Me hear no, me hear ya.
Cause Jayden, bro.
Jayden for go support
Jayden,
him mama.
baby, you Jayden, I chat you upon the media.
Yeah.
Bro, I know me not see no screen record.
You
Me not
want to see
see no
message? You want to see message on the screen
More
record,
see
them
them. Oh,
brother.
me because me not see no
Nah, sure.
Use the other phone. Use the other phone.
How old
Use
is
the other phone.
Tiki? That a big batty boy there? Go suck out him, mama. Big batty boy there. Big old batty boy there.
Until me see the shit bag. Me not even talk to him. Say what
Nah, show you, Meka. I'll show you there.
two me then come never see them.
You know, swear.
Me can't find phone.
You talk about say never talk about Meka. Yes, you do. You talked about Meka. You talked about her. You did. You did. You did wicked boy. Your blood clot do. I'll find it.
That a confused drunk bro. Don't want blood clot cells. When you go left to go?
What you said too much said.
Blood clot mix up and go.
Him said, me I say, but today me gonna set things right. In our way, but you go vex about something. So me say, oh that. Me say, oh no, I got to link up. That you mean? I say,
So call your mama 12.
He say, you reply to part when me say, I'm 16. He say, yes.
So
Me
call
say,
your
link
mama.
up and sleep over.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, he say, just no sleep over. Your man just have this and that
You
style.
can go mind and
So
all
me say,
business.
what you mean? Me say, what you mean? So she will come over there today. And I said, no, she smell a way to go. Hey boy, don't no matter peel like me, I tell no blood clot like. See it ya? Hey look boy, just stop, go on like me, I
Blood
tell
clot spend
I like
spend the
explain
big
show.
go
way.
on like me, I tell like you. Come in and tell no lie.
Me?
I like it.
Oh my
She
god.
can't come on my yard again. Just let me deal with it, please. I promise you, you're not going to vex.
See there? There
When
is
you
it.
go and don't accept.
Yo, Jayden, I read dog shit in a brother.
You're not liar. Yeah, thing is as well you say.
Brother, you same time me there around Jayden, make sure I go beard, make sure me smell nice.
No lie, me no need to come
What
tell
the
you.
fuck Jayden never about some smell bad? Most likely Jayden
Brother.
no want beard. Bro, Jayden never beard. From me there around Jayden, me never see fucking Jayden beard, bro. Me never see the man beard, the man eat water. Only thing would I see Jayden go do a rub on him bleaching,
Yeah, me know
bro. Me
say
never see
text
man go
them show. Me
fucking
see them,
beard.
me
What
read
you talk
them.
about some
Me
smell,
read the
Jayden? You
text
feel
them
my
before
shit
me
in
go
your
on
pit,
live. Me see
man.
them, man.
What with this big forehead, boy? You stinky. What the fuck you talk about some smell? No time in a blood clot life me can't smell, brother. Me make sure carry
See
me
that?
perfume, me roll
League
up,
boxing with
the
him.
body
League
wash,
boxing
anything
with
me
him.
have, me make sure carry it back at me because me know you fuck
Peter?
your stay. Me not
Peter?
could have left me clothes them up me. My dirty clothes them me can't left them
Peter?
on the bed. Because me don't trust a fucking Jayden. Anytime me call me make
But
sure you say me no answer you. Because me know say mix up your one. You can't
see
chat me
text
back,
them there.
bro.
See text them
Come me
there.
see.
See there?
Bro, that must be when me go up there first
So she
time.
a come over there today. She smell her way too. No. So she can't come on my yard again. Just make me deal with it, please. I promise you.
How are them there? Text from Big C?
Must if you respond,
When she said she promised you not, what that say?
sit none of that. When him say
Promise
this,
you.
I promise you nah go vex. You promise me nah. I promise you nah go vex. So I tell her that she nah come back her yard because she smell away because I want Big C come her yard. So promise you nah go vex because I tell her say me can nah come back her yard. But when I get out of this now, for realize say, you see now this a text here. It's like him a tell Big C this, Big C come my yard.
Yeah,
But it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
him not, this a one lie ma tell for Big C come my yard. Him not really mean it. Basically, more Big C come my yard because she probably more fuck Big C or whosoever. Him just want to tell Big C something bad about Meka to catch Big C. So
Yeah,
when
yeah.
I say he not mean it,
That's
but
true.
it's like
That's true.
you know man stay. You understand me? I say
Yeah,
Jagga.
that's true.
It's like you want. It's like Jagga like that. Yeah, Chanel and TT there so, and you want TT go in the next room. So you tell Chanel say watch her now. She not come in here. I go talk to her, make she know say yo go downstairs, go talk to mommy or something. You see me? But the smelling part, him should have put it in
He
it. You
should have
see me? I
used
say?
another style still there. You know?
Yeah, another style.
You know woman stay too.
Yeah.
Especially yeah, grow on it two of them, bro. You should have said
Yeah.
that, brother.
Yeah, as a girl is. You see
Bro,
me? I
you
say?
know, see me there on live, man. Me can't pull that, brother.
Yeah, in a real life.
I make no excuse to Jayden. Jayden a batty man because suck himself. Me not rate him as from today.
Can't come on my yard again.
You see me? I say?
Batty
Wait,
man.
wait.
So, yeah.
So,
They
not
come
more.
up play Vic.
So, not more than Big C
Say,
vex.
life on you.
Not more than Big C vex and Big C just I look something. You see me? I say? Yeah, but that a for them business.
Eldino, when they there me ever smell me?
No, me never smell nobody when me dey run. Nobody. We ever bathe and clean. We live a river. We live a beach. We reach our yard. We fresh up. And we cook and we do we thing, bro. You see me and say? But as me say, Jayden, just I use that. Forget getting a
No,
big seat.
Jay, may I go start all this? May I pick up something and come back? Give me a minute.
Yeah.
Guys, don't come and fly. May I pick up something right now and come back?
Yeah. Yeah. I sure we are sure. Big C name must have to show that neither because the man know Big C knows say man just try get in her head. But even though him should have said that.
But so, why as she fly out, she want to show them thing there? Why?
Yeah, true.
I went to afraid of Jayden.
Yeah, know that man. Because all along when Jayden and Meka link, Big C know that. And I like Big C no know because Jayden and Meka did it on live in a car. You see me, I look on one and everybody attacks, say, oh, Ray. Look on love and them look a thing that. You see me, I say? So not more than Big C plan for do this long time, bro. You see me, I say? She plan. You see me, I say? You see me I say?
But yeah. Why me not really why it was them for the blame for this card. Yeah, woman too. You feel look pan it away too, you know, bro. You ain't have to put that on the internet neither, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Even though me know me never smell Meka yet, me never yet smell Meka, me not defend Meka as a brother or nothing. You can't ask anybody, me never smell Meka yet.
Never smell Meka yet, dog. Meka always clean, dog. Me nah like
Woman
okay,
a
most
bring
of the
down
girl in
woman,
the
bro. Uno
house.
fi
Meka
do better,
always
you know,
a beat,
brother.
bro. Meka
Una
always
woman, brother. Uno
keep
fi do
herself clean
better,
and
bro.
but different, dog, woman. Me not know, bro. Woman does different, dog. Probably sure I bring down Jayden too. But Jayden, if you looking at himself too, as I me just tell Jayden, say, bro, and you have to look on where you tell woman. Because the way you tell woman, we use it back on you, bro, for bring you down, dog. You see what I say? Because if the
Alright,
part, if it stink,
Jelly.
if the part, you see part of Jayden say, make a stink. You say probably Big C never have that part there. She would have nothing strong on Jayden, bro. So I show me say, Big C does vex about something and I try. You see me I say? Yeah. Yeah, in a real life. Me see whole thing, dog. Me just see whole
All me have
thing,
to say,
dog.
Meka. A long time, you should have
Big C
learned
a
a
cuss me and
lesson.
jagger.
About
Right, that Big
Jayden.
C can't cuss me and
How
jagger,
Meka do
bro.
stuck?
Cause me not tell no lie on Big C, bro. If Big C have a part to say, Jayden I say,
Meka, a
Mika
long time,
smell.
and they all want you.
What
They
Big
all
C could have
want you,
said about
bro.
Jayden?
Leave
Big
Jayden
C does
alone,
this
brother.
because,
Stand far from Jayden. If I'm here,
bro,
me I'll block him off as so.
don't
Block
tell me
him
about
blood
the usher.
clot. Jayden as smaddy.
Don't tell
I
me
threw him
about
a
the
giant
usher.
crown and this and big. You can't get it too. You can't blood
Don't,
clot get it too. Run
don't
with
tell me about
Jayden.
the usher. Big C vex because